Meaning of dumper.
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 Dumper. The word dumper can have a few different meanings depending on the context. In a general sense, it can refer to a person or a machine that is used to dump or unload materials. This could include things like dirt, rocks, or other debris. In a more specific sense, it can also refer to a type of truck or trailer that is designed for hauling heavy loads and dumping them at a specific location. Overall, the term dumper is typically associated with the process of unloading or disposing of materials in some way.